Mindfulness is our ability to focus on whatever is happening in the present moment. By now, we have all understood this basic concept. So the next question really that we have to ask ourselves is, how do we make sure that we are actually staying in the present moment? Because it's just so easy to drift away. And one of the simplest things that you can do in order to bring your attention back to the present moment, in order to become mindful, is actually to use mindfulness anchors. Now, a lot of these exercises also have a lot of these small tips which revolve around, actually using some of those mindfulness anchors. So based on that, our tip number 47 of our 101 ways of developing mindfulness in 100 days is around counting the beats. So let me quickly put this up on our mindfulness wall and talk more about it. So there it goes. That is our tip number 47. Wow. So what is a mindfulness anchor? First, let's discuss this. A mindfulness anchor is anything that helps you bring your attention in this present moment. So it can be something like counting your breaths, the 4-7-8 exercise that we did, or it can be about picking a color, making sure that you're able to spot that color and just, bring your attention back. Or it can be a very simple exercise which I'm introducing to you today, which is around counting the beats. Now, what do you need for this exercise? You typically need either something like this, which is a necklace of beads, or you need a bracelet of beads. And all you need to do is that you can choose either one of these and start with the point where this is joined. And after that, to become mindful or make sure that you are practicing mindfulness in any moment, you have to count the beads with your hands. So, you're turning the beads, you're turning the necklace and counting every single bead as it goes along under your thumb. Similarly, you can do the same thing with the bracelet as well. You can simply take this and you can simply go around it like that. So you can use your beads necklace, or you can use a pearl necklace. So anything that has got beads that allows you to really move the necklace along and really count those beads is what we are after. And once you're doing this, you're engaging, you will realize that there is a repetitive pattern, but even in that repetitiveness, it allows you to become mindful. A lot of culture, especially the Hindu culture, actually uses something like this to count mantras. So if you're repeating a mantra, say 108 times, so you will have 108 beads in that necklace, and you will actually count the beads to keep a track of how many times you have repeated something. So try and do this simple exercise, count the beads as a starting point, and then maybe if there's some positive note that you want to repeat to yourself, repeat it those many times as the beads in your necklace. And once you're reaching back to the point where you started from because of this little indication, you know that you have completed those many number of repeats. I hope you try this exercise. It's a brand new exercise, a new experience for you, but something very simple and something you can easily do even while watching television if you want to become mindful in that moment. So try this out and let me know your thoughts about it.